We have another interesting case study to discuss here. So we have a 2002 Hyundai Elantra with a 2.0 liter. The concern was the transmission was stuck in limp mode. According to the scan tool data, it was stuck in second gear. Would not shift out of it to stay in second gear. Kind of gave you back up the little history. It was brought to us from another transmission shop. Previously, the customer had all the solenoids replaced, and there were some trouble codes for them. That's why they replaced them. That shop couldn't figure out the problem, so it was sent to us. One thing that we noticed was there was no trouble codes, and we're indeed stuck in second gear. So it's kind of, where do you go? What direction do you go to figure out, hey, why is this thing in limp mode for? So we pulled up scan tool data, and what caught my attention was the PID for the automatic temperature, fluid temperature, was stuck at -40. Would not move from there. So what we did was we proceeded to do some checks. We did confirm that the 5-volt reference supplied by the TCM was present, and the ground supplied by the TCM was present at the connector. The sensor lives inside the solenoid block behind the pan. So and then we called the customer for further testing. They declined because they said they wanted to be 100% certain that repairing that sensor would take this transmission out of limp mode. It's a great question. We couldn't answer that at the time. There's nothing in documentation or any support saying, hey, if the IAT sensor or the transmission fluid temperature is inaccurate, it puts it in limp mode. So I was thinking, what can I do to prove that out? Because we know for a fact that there's either the connector's not connected, the wiring is either open, or the sensor's open. Okay, those three choices are on the table. So what I did was I installed an inline, or I installed a resistor in series, and then that created a 76-degree temperature. Then I drove the vehicle, and then it was indeed out of limp mode. It shifted through all gears. No codes returned, or it came back. There's no codes to begin with, but nothing on the test drive showed any issues. We wanted to just kind of discuss this, so if somebody comes across this issue with a transmission fluid sensor that, hey, it's reading incorrectly, that yes, indeed, it will keep it in limp mode. So, thank you.